Hey everyone, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to make a project that I've had on my list for like a year and a half, maybe more. Some bamboo wind chimes. So there's lots of places I could start with this project, but I think I'm going to start with this coconut. The first thing I want to do is cut it in half, but I don't want coconut milk going all over my bandsaw, so pretty good. It's kind of yucky though. In here. It's actually getting nastier the more I do it. I thought this would be I like coconut flavor, but I thought this would be like a sweet treat, but it's not. Alright, I'm going to cut it on the bandsaw. Safety note, a round, unusually shaped object like this is not totally safe to be cutting on the bandsaw because since it is round, this blade could want to grab it and pull it away from me towards the blade. So if you're ever doing something like this, just be very, very careful. This is going to be a lot more work than I thought it would be because I just need the coconut shell. Now we've got all the coconut, what do you call it, meat in there. Oh God. I like coconut flavored things, but I've never really cared much for legit coconut because of the texture. It's a texture thing. The milk was pretty bitter too, but let's see if it's different. It's gross, y'all. I know there's tons of coconut lovers out there. Y'all, I'm sorry, but that just wasn't very good. It's just not to my taste. It's been in my spoon, y'all. Hey there, okay. Put my knuckle on there. There we go, hell yeah. I'm gonna cut what is going to be the just the things that will be the chimes, and I'm cutting them a little bit above the baffles so I could drill a hole in there to put the string through. And every single set of bamboo chimes I've looked at seem to have part of it cut away at the front, so I guess I'm gonna do that. Got this string that I'm just running through. It's not too hard. I was thinking it was going to be a lot more tedious than it is. I'm trying to get them all about the same length. I don't think they are exact. Has anybody else watched Tiger King yet? Let me know in the comments if you have. That shit was wild. It's hard to figure out where the center is on an uneven coconut top. I've got this oak circle that I cut on the bandsaw. There we go. I got this extra scrap of bamboo that's like the wind. I may have to take this circle off and make it smaller at one point. Touching all of them, I think it's supposed to have room to move around and knock into them. If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and you should subscribe for more stuff like this. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you next time.